Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, going to show you how you can fix gold notes not showing on Instagram. So here, as you can see, you need to make sure that your Instagram app is updated. So go to App Store if you're using iOS device and then tap on the update button. And once done, open your Instagram and see if it fixed the issue. So to basically see and try this one, you need to go to your Messenger or DM section and make sure that you use the correct terms, words, and emojis to basically use this gold post on your Instagram. Now, if not, or if the problem persists, let's go and fix this one to another method or by another method. So go back to your home screen and then go to settings. So here, you just have to go to general. So scroll down a bit and go to general and find the iPhone storage. And from here, you need to find the Instagram app. And then here, need to tap on offload app. So this will remove all your app cache. So this will free up storage used by the app, but keep its documents and data. So installing the app will place back your data if the app is still available in the App Store. And once done here, you just have to restart or reboot your device. So it should be fixed the issue. That's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video.